Hey guys, Paul, Happy Me Business. I'm going to show you quickly what we were talking about yesterday, how you can use Trello to pick your teams. Go to Trello.com, sign up, log in, it's free. I won't go through sign up, I'll just log in. And you'll have your boards. You're going to create a new board. So go up to the top, create board, call it team selection, whatever you want to call. You may want to call this team selection August, I don't know, 20th, whatever that weekend is. Create. You're going to, at the top, have all these columns. So you're going to say maybe players, injured, not available. First team, second team, third team, etc. Right? So then you're going to have add a card. So, whatever your players are called: Dave, John, Simon, Mark, Lee, Paul, etc. So you're just going to create a card for each person. What you can do is go to Dave, add an attachment, I believe, go computer. It's a while since I've done it actually. Attach that and it'll pick up that picture, right? So here's a picture of Dave if you can't remember what they look like. So you may go, so this is your week's, your future fixtures. You sat there on a Monday night. Here are all your players. You're going to go, Dave is first team. John's injured. Simon's going to be second team. Mark is first team. Lee, second team. Paul, Kirk's messaging me. Third team. So that's it, done. You've picked your team. You can share this board publicly. Up here, look, so private, public. So you just share it publicly and then copy and paste this link and say on your Facebook page or your newsletter or how you contact players and say, look, here the teams are picked. Look at the Trello board. That's the easiest way to share it. So if you went, I don't know, Facebook and put, I don't know exactly how it shares, but you just share it, right? Easy enough to do. Or what the easiest way to send to everybody on an email list is just to go to MailChimp. And this would be good for newsletters anyway. Sign up for MailChimp, create a list of players, put all their email addresses in, and then just fire an email that says latest players, team selections up on Trello, and share the link to Trello. But that's as easy as it is. So you can go in here and this player, depending how deep you want to get into it, you could let people. You go over here and add member. So you'd add, I don't know, Dave, somebody, alright. And if he's already on Trello, it'll pick him up. But you just put their email address in. So if I put Team Happy Me Biz, it's not going to find me, but I'm going to say that's Dave Smith. And that would send an email to that person. And up here becomes a member. My internet's slow, right? So Dave Smith. So then I can assign Dave to this card. So I believe that every time you move this card, it'll send him an email saying a card that you've been assigned to has been moved. So in theory, that would email them. But thing is, if you're sat there in a meeting and you're going, well, no, I don't want him. I want him in second team. I want him, and you're being bumped around. You don't necessarily want it to send him an email every time someone does that and say, oh no, I will take Dave. Put him back over here. So you might not want this to be a live, you've been moved to a different column email. But Trello, dead simple, free to use, and I think you can see what it can do just from that short video. Any questions, give me a shout. Cheers.